Looking to get more from your Bentley products, but feel like you're hunting for buried treasure without a map? Fear not. X marks the spot at Bentley Learn. With Bentley Learn, you have everything you need to gain the skills and knowledge to excel in your projects and level up your career. Unlock your true potential and let Bentley support your journey to success. Bentley Learn is a complimentary benefit, giving you the freedom to choose your learning experience. Anytime, anywhere, Bentley Learn is here for you. Working late, working across the globe, you get quick and easy access to learning that's always on, always available. Whether you prefer on-demand videos, hands-on activities, or live interactive sessions, the choice is yours. Learn at your own pace, on your own schedule, and in your own style. Bentley Learn, empowering you to grow wherever you are.